Clear on the left, looking good, sir.
Bravo Zulu, Tejas 1, well done.
The Tejas takes flight, ready to defend India.
Welcome to HAL, where we build India's indigenous Tejas fighter jet.
Carbon fiber prepreg, stored at -18 degrees, ensures material integrity. Automated tape laying builds the delta wing with precision accuracy. Skilled technicians hand-lay composites on complex, curved surfaces.
Vacuum bagging removes air before the autoclave curing cycle.
The autoclave cures composites at extreme heat and pressure. Wing skins enter the autoclave for a 6-hour curing cycle.
Engineers monitor 180 degrees and 7-bar pressure precisely.
The cured wing skin emerges ready for precision trimming.
5-axis CNC machines trim composites to micron-level tolerances.
Titanium billets heat to forging temperature for structural frames. The forward fuselage jig positions the cockpit section precisely.
We're showing green on the laser alignment.
Digital readout confirms 0 tolerance. Engaging clamps now.
Torque check on station 4.
Copy that, proceeding to station 4.
Bring it down another 2 centimeters, hold it there.
Alignment is good on the starboard side.
The compound delta wing defines Tejas's aerodynamic performance.
Bring her down 20 centimeters. Watch the alignment pin.
10 more. Steady, steady. Perfect.
The GE F404 turbofan delivers 85 kilonewtons of thrust.
Calipers show the compressor specs are holding tight.
Good. I'll update the manifest. The turbine looks clean as well.
Isolator is seated.
Engage the torque wrench. Hitting 150 now.
Verified. Looks good.
Slow adjustments on the motorized jack. Watch the clearance. Clear. We have alignment. Confirmed.
All connections secure. The harness integration can begin.
Looks good. Stamp of approval issued.
The Y-duct intake splits airflow around the cockpit efficiently.
We need to secure the fuel lines first.
I have the torque wrench ready for the main mounts. Ensure the electrical connection is stable.
Mounts engaged. Begin the sequence.
Copy that. Applying torque to position 4.
The cockpit integration facility prepares the pilot's workspace.
Torque set on bolt 3.
Alignment verified. Holding tolerance.
All fasteners secure.
Serial number checks out. IN16 confirmed.
All right. Sign off on the manifest.
Torque is set on the rocket motor housing. Buckles checked. Verified. Applying final stamp now.
Steady, ease it left.
Aligned on the rails.
Okay, lowering now. Locked in.
Confirmed secure.
Final connection locked.
Verified. Checklist complete.
Arming sequence initiated. Final inspection complete.
Documentation is signed. Quality approval granted. Indigenous avionics developed by DRDO and HAL await installation.
Cable tie is cinched. Check the diagram for the next connection point.
Confirmed. Connecting to J304.
Multi-mode radar provides air-to-air and ground attack capability.
All elements verified for transmit and receive functionality.
Confirmed. The readings are within tolerance.
Verify the setting on the inner ring connectors.
Checked and torqued to specification. Sequence complete.
Lower gently, bring it left just a fraction,
Copy that, adjusting left.
and lock. We are secure.
All parameters are green. We have full functionality. Noted. The ground test is complete.
India's indigenous fly-by-wire system controls Tejas flight.
Initiating surface test sequence.
Elevon response confirmed. Hydraulics nominal. Moving to slats.
Roger that. Slats engaging smoothly.
Eight hardpoints carry diverse air-to-air and ground weapons.
Initialization complete. Weapon ID successful on Station 4.
Copy that. Release sequence active. Safety interlocks confirmed locked.
System verification complete. Documentation. Approval confirmation.
Landing gear withstands extreme touchdown and braking loads.
Okay, bring it down very slowly. Just a few more millimeters.
Steady, steady.
Perfect. Hold it right there.
Downlock confirmed on main gear.
Verified and logged.
Final assembly joins 3 fuselage sections into one aircraft.
We have stabilization at point 4. Copy that.
Proceeding with final alignment sequence. Clear the zone.
We are within tolerance. 0.18 millimeters. Verified.
Descent. Aligning the root fittings now. A little to the left, steady, we are locked in.
Bharat Mata Ki! We did it! Congratulations, everyone!
Comprehensive ground testing verifies all integrated systems.
Pressure readings are stable. Transfer system verified.
No leaks detected on the couplings. We are clear.
Radar signature is holding steady.
Confirming IRST lock on target 2. Nav systems are green across the board.
Environmental testing confirms cockpit pressurization and cooling.
Continuity confirmed on circuit 4.
Cross-referencing schematic. All parameters nominal. System is secure with pins installed.
Charlie Golf 9er, all stations confirmed green. We are retracting to the booth. Clear to start run sequence.
Completed Tejas awaits acceptance flight in IAF colors.
Flaps and slats secure. Check hydraulic lines, no leaks visible. Intake clear. Ground crew confirms green. Final verification, cockpit ready.
Harness secure. 2 safety pins removed.
Radio check, primary. Comms clear.
Clear on the left, looking good, sir.
Bravo Zulu, Tejas 1, well done. Tower, Tejas 6-1 engaging military power. Cleared for takeoff, over.
That's how Tejas is built, for Indian air dominance.